The Sony 75-inch Mini LED QLED 4K Ultra HD TV BRAVIA 9 is designed to redefine home entertainment in 2024, combining advanced display technology, smart features, and immersive audio. This TV provides an experience that appeals to gamers, movie enthusiasts, and anyone looking for top-tier picture quality. From sleek design to high-end performance, every element has been engineered to create a premium viewing experience. Starting with the display, the Mini LED backlighting offers precise control over brightness zones. This results in deep blacks, bright highlights, and improved contrast that gives every scene a sense of depth and realism. Combined with QLED technology and Sony's processing engine, color reproduction is exceptional. The TV delivers vibrant, accurate colors with smooth gradients, making everything from movies to animated content look lifelike. Resolution is a key factor here. With 4K Ultra HD, every detail is crisp and clear. Fine textures, subtle lighting differences, and intricate details are rendered accurately, elevating both cinematic experiences and everyday content. The BRAVIA 9 also supports Dolby Vision HDR, which enhances color, contrast, and brightness scene by scene, making streaming services like Netflix, Disney+, and Apple TV Plus feel more cinematic than ever. Gamers will appreciate the TV's advanced connectivity and performance features. HDMI 2.1 support allows for 4K gaming at 120 Hz, providing fluid motion and reduced lag. Features such as variable refresh rate and auto low latency mode ensure that gameplay is smooth and responsive, while Dolby Vision for gaming enhances visuals with dynamic contrast and vivid colors. Paired with a PlayStation 5 or other next-generation consoles, the experience is seamless and immersive. Audio quality is another area where the BRAVIA 9 shines. Acoustic Multi-Audio technology strategically positions speakers behind the screen, creating sound that matches the on-screen action. Dialogue is clear, sound effects are dynamic, and ambient noises feel natural. This design allows for an immersive audio experience without a separate soundbar, though pairing it with a high-end home theater system will further enhance cinematic sound. The smart Google TV interface makes accessing content and controlling the TV simple. Navigation is smooth, apps load quickly, and built-in Chromecast allows content from mobile devices to be displayed instantly. Google Assistant is integrated for voice commands, letting you search for shows, adjust settings, or control smart home devices hands-free. The home screen can be customized to show your favorite apps and streaming services, making the interface intuitive and user-friendly. Another highlight is the TV's brightness and anti-reflective design. The Mini LED technology ensures high peak brightness, allowing clear viewing even in bright rooms. The anti-glare coating reduces reflections, maintaining picture quality regardless of lighting conditions. Whether you're streaming movies during the day or gaming in a sunlit living room, visuals remain sharp and vivid. Connectivity is extensive, with multiple HDMI ports, USB inputs, and audio outputs allowing simultaneous connection of gaming consoles, streaming devices, and audio equipment. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and stable streaming, even in households with multiple connected devices. The remote has been redesigned for ease of use, featuring an ergonomic shape, dedicated streaming buttons, and efficient voice search, making it simple to navigate and control the TV. Overall, the Sony 75-inch Mini LED QLED 4K Ultra HD TV BRAVIA 9 offers a complete package of performance, design, and smart features. Its combination of cutting-edge display technology, immersive sound, and gaming optimizations make it ideal for anyone seeking a high-quality entertainment solution. For those looking to transform their living room with a premium TV, this model delivers everything needed for movies, gaming, and streaming. To experience the best in 4K TV technology and elevate your home entertainment, check the link in the description below to purchase this TV. With its stunning visuals, immersive sound, and intelligent features, it's one of the most compelling TVs of 2024.